Arrive in style with this Honda 2018 Civic EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, 180-watt AM/FM HD Sirius XM audio system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC, rear window defroster and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.